I got my fidgets. Let me go set y'all up. Okay, how do y'all think I should do this? Move all my stuff out the way. How do you think I should do this, guys? This video's going to be forever. You know what, guys? I'm changing the video. I don't want to do sorting my fidgets. I'm just gonna sort my favorite fidgets. So yeah. So let's get started with the video. Sorting my favorite fidgets, guys. I got one of my newest fidgets is my Fat Brain Dimple Digit. The other side. Okay. This one's like a mini version of it and it's purple. Still is one of my favorites. I have to admit that. Braylee is gone out of town. She went to Tennessee. She's gonna go meet her or something. She's in Tennessee for a week, so yeah. Got my fidget spinner one. It's not even fidget spinning anymore. My butterfly dimple. I have another dimple. I don't know where it's at. Oh, here it is. And then I got this little paw print dimple. And I got one of my first ever dimples, which is just a regular dimple. And then I got the frog dimple. This one wasn't my last one because the big fat brain, like the white fat brain dimple digit, this one wasn't my last dimple. But before that, my last dimple was, let me get it. It's right here. The Among Us one. I think I ordered it off of Amazon. I don't remember. I want to sign, but I can't tell. Okay. Now my favorite quiet fidgets. Like my relaxing fidgets. Snapper. I need to get another one of these. Oh! Technical difficulties. Okay, I'm back. Okay, next I got my DNA ball. I lost my green pea popper. It's at the girl's house somewhere, but either them or the little cousins took it. Yellow pea popper. I got this new fidget the other day. I got a snake, and I've been dying forever to get one. I was dying to get one. Next, I got my marble meshes. My favorite stress ball. And if you look, it's like tearing. I'm so sad. I'm like so sad. My favorite yellow needle. My pink one busted because of Jackson, and then my other one also busted. That big pink confetti ball, and that was my last one. Now, I have my Orbeez one I left at Breeley's house. Oh, I'm so dumb. My orange flat ball. My pineapple stress ball. My other pineapple stress ball. My mesh ball that Noah took the net off of. It feels better without the net. I'll do ASMR on some of my fidgets, my favorite ones soon. I got this blue Nido. I got a new purple Nido. It's the girls, but don't tell them. I guess they left it, so it's mine. I got a puzzle ball. I'm missing the brown ball. No dar. The little caterpillar monkey noodle. Oh. You want to know why I do that? It's because I have a scratchy throat. I think I told you this so many times. My infinity cube. My Fat Brain Simple Dimple keychains. All these other little Simple Dimples, these are not the real ones, but two flippable octopus. All my favorite puppets. I got an elephant, a duck, owl, a flamingo, a pumpkin, a strawberry, Mickey Mouse, this news popsicle one, rainbow popsicle, the car, the train, my red crab. This one I got yesterday. It's a little rainbow crab. Red apple puppet, green frog puppet, and a yellow octopus puppet, a blue flower puppet, a blue game control puppet, blue shark puppet. Oh, I guess all the game control. There it is. The green stegosaurus puppet, purple Among Us, this little thing, and my robot. Oh, and the french fries too. And also I have a few giant favorite puppets. I have this one. This is my jumbo one. My jumbo Among Us puppet. Oh, I can't forget about all my pop tubes. I got all these pop tubes. I even have more. Y'all know me, I take extreme of everything. All of these. Those are all my pop tubes. A jumbo butterfly puppet. My giant rainbow square, my giant heart puppet, and then my giant Baby Yoda puppet. This is one of my all-time favorites. It's Baby Yoda, of course. And then my flippable octopus. Any other favorites in here? My little mini pop tube, my blue square. That's it. So I hope you liked the video. I know it wasn't that much, but it was okay. And this video is in the description of my last video. So yeah.